Hey everybody, I got here is the Bell+Howell solar Bionic light, motion activated. I got it from Lowe's for $19.98. Regular price is $24.99. So it's supposed to have a 3,500K, the light temperature. Lumens is 330, it's not too bright actually. There's two modes. Bright light and I can't read cool night or something, I don't know. Can't read. And the detection is 19 to 26 feet, so it's far, and it's weather resistant. And here's the picture in the back where you're supposed to mount it. And let's open this up, and here's the barcode. You need the barcode. Here's the barcode. I'll put it on the description below too. So let me open this up. So here's the light. The plastic covering on it. I don't know if it comes up or not. No, it doesn't come up. So there's a plastic covering on it. Here are the solar panels. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 22. So 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 22. And there's LED here on one side. 4, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 13. So 13 plus 13 here. 26. And there's a strip of LED here, LED here, LED here. Look like this is the to switch from the daylight, the bright light, or something night. So I can't see it. I'm blind. And it says here, peel and stick, so you can stick it. Really? You can stick it. So there's some more stuff inside here. So this thing comes with a 3M double-sided tape and a couple of long Phillips screw heads. Comes with a manual, how to install it. There you go. So okay, so it's eco mode. So the button there is eco mode. So you want an eco mode, or you want it in this thing, bright light. Installation instruction, or you want to tape it yourself. You want to tape it or drill it to the wood or the wall, any wall. Alright, so let me install this, and I'm gonna leave it overnight and tomorrow, the whole day until tomorrow night, so it can get completely charged. See, because so we can tell the brightness. By tomorrow night it should be fully charged, and we should be able to tell the distance and how far I'm gonna be standing before it senses me, and how far the light goes. Alright, how far it travels. Alright, let me put this on the wall. Before I install this to the wall, I want to show you how the button works. So if you push once, it goes to bright, and second time it goes to eco mode. So this is eco mode. It's off. So bright, eco, off. Bright, eco, and it turns bright too. If it, let's see if it senses people, it goes bright, but then it goes to eco mode. The other one, let's see if it turns up if there's nobody around. I think it just stays on. So I'm not gonna keep videoing because video's gonna take so long. So I'm just gonna tell you if it stays on. Turn off. Now it turned on again. So it does turn off. All right. So the echo will just stays like that until it senses people. There you go. And it goes back down to eco mode, to the dim light. Alright, so let me install this now. Look like a spaceship. Second flag there with the reed. That's 20 foot from where I'm gonna put the light. So tomorrow night when I step on that side, let's see if it's gonna light up. So I'm gonna put it here and I'm gonna step over there, the second flag, red flag over there. If it turns on, then it's pretty good. That's far enough, 20 feet. Right, let's do the installation now. So installation is pretty straightforward. Either you can put the 3M double-sided tape, put it in the flat surface right here, or what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill holes here and put it over here in the middle. So if this is good, then I'm gonna add another one there and another one there. So I think this is like 6 feet in between. So my backyard will be very bright. It's really dying. There, change drill. Alright, it's not gonna go anywhere. So we're gonna try this tomorrow night. Alright. See you tomorrow or same the next segment of this video. We have to turn this on. So one click is on, 2 clicks is echo with right. So I don't want this on echo, I just leave it out first click. Because if you got echo, then it's gonna drain the battery. I don't want to drain it yet till tomorrow. Alright, it's more than 24 hours since I installed the LED light somewhere over there. So hopefully I don't trip on something. The other light turned on. This light should turn on, but it's not turning on. There you go. But that's not the light. The light's over there. And I put the flag. That's 20 feet over there. That first flag. Let's see if it's gonna see me or not. No, it's not turning on. It doesn't see me. Let's see. I'm almost in front of it. And yeah, that's not 20 feet. Let me see. Let me walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So about 10 feet. It turns on about 10 feet. I thought it would turn on right there, but back there I can't see the camera. It's too dark there. But it didn't turn on. Anyway, that's how bright it is. Not really that bright. It's amber color, so I like the bright lights better. But I'm still gonna keep this one though. Since it's already there, I don't want to take it off. Hopefully it'll last longer. Now if this thing does break, I'll update you within a week. If it breaks within a week, then I'll put another, or in a month, then I'll post another update how long this thing lasts. After a month is fine. I won't do anything. But here's the light again. So that's how far it shines. It's about 10. I can see now that this thing is on. I can see all the way to the end. Camera just can't see it, but it lights up, but not like very bright. But you can see where I'm gonna. I can see where I'm gonna walk with this light. All right, so this is the Bionic Bell+Howell Bionic light. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. And look at the moon over there. All right, thank you. Bye bye.